Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to remove Windows 10 startup programs. Okay, so by default many applications are set to launch each time you start a Windows. So here's how to manage this application and help your device boot faster. Okay, so first of all you need to go to Task Manager. There are three methods to go to the task manager. So first of all, you can press Ctrl Shift Escape. Go to the startup, is the fourth tab, and click on the application that you want to disable at startup. Okay, as example, I've disabled Facebook Messenger and Be Online. Okay, or you can enable them, of course, like this. Now it's enabled, so the Be Online will start when we start the computer, but I'll keep it disabled. Okay, the other method to go to your task manager is right click on your tab and click Task Manager. Same, the fourth tab, and disable what application you want to disable. And the third method is to press Ctrl Alt Delete and select Task Manager is the last option. Once again, start up and disable or enable whatever application you want to start or start up. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sorry. Thank you. Bye bye.